Welcome back to Eco Wellness Journeys, where we explore the harmony between personal wellness and our connection to the planet. Today, we'll dive into the transformative practice of gratitude, a timeless concept that can bring peace and positivity into our lives, one mindful moment at a time. Imagine starting your day with a heart full of appreciation for the beauty of a sunrise, the kindness of a loved one, or even the simple comfort of your morning cup of tea. Practicing gratitude isn't just about saying thank you. It's about embracing a deeper connection to the blessings in your life, no matter how small they may seem. In this video, we'll explore how gratitude and mindfulness come together to create a profound sense of well-being. We'll share simple, practical ways to cultivate a habit of gratitude and discover how this practice can transform the way we view ourselves, our relationships, and the world around us. Whether you're new to mindfulness or looking for a fresh perspective, join us as we embrace the power of gratitude, one mindful breath at a time. Let's begin by exploring the essence of gratitude. At its core, gratitude is about recognizing and appreciating the goodness in our lives. It's the feeling that wells up when we pause to acknowledge the beauty of a sunrise, the kindness of a friend, or even the small victories that make each day brighter. But gratitude is more than just an emotion. Research shows it's a powerful tool for enhancing our mental and physical well-being. Practicing gratitude regularly can improve our relationships, boost our mood, and even enhance our immune system. In fact, studies have found that engaging in gratitude exercises, like writing in a gratitude journal or sharing what you're thankful for, can lead to lasting positive changes in how we experience life. Gratitude isn't just about the big things. It's about noticing and appreciating the small joys that are often overlooked. By shifting our focus from what's missing to what's present, we cultivate a mindset of abundance and resilience. Gratitude is an invitation to reconnect with ourselves, with others, and with the world around us. It's a gentle reminder that even in life's challenges, there's always something to be grateful for. Now, let's explore the beautiful synergy between mindfulness and gratitude. While mindfulness teaches us to be fully present in the moment, gratitude helps us cherish the positive experiences and connections we notice when we're present. Together, they create a powerful practice, a way of living that anchors us to the here and now, while opening our hearts to the abundance around us. When we pair mindful gratitude with focused attention, even ordinary moments can feel extraordinary. Imagine this. You take a slow, mindful breath, and in that moment, you choose to focus on something you appreciate. Perhaps the kindness of a friend, the beauty of nature, or even your own resilience. That's gratitude meditation, a practice that not only grounds us, but also helps reframe our perspective, guiding us toward positivity and hope. Studies show that combining mindfulness with gratitude can significantly reduce stress, improve emotional resilience, and foster deeper connections with others. It's not just a practice, it's a lifestyle that brings joy and meaning into our everyday experiences. When we align mindfulness and gratitude, we create space to fully experience life, not just as it is, but as a gift. It's a way of saying to the world and ourselves, I see you, I appreciate you, and I am here. Now that we've explored the connection between mindfulness and gratitude, let's dive into some practical ways you can start cultivating gratitude in your daily life. One of the simplest yet most powerful tools is gratitude journaling. Take a few moments each day to jot down 3 things you're thankful for. They don't have to be grand. Sometimes it's the small joys, like the warmth of the sun on your skin, or the sound of laughter, that matters most. Another practice is gratitude meditation. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and focus on the things you're grateful for. Visualize them vividly. See, hear, and feel the emotions tied to those moments. Let that sense of appreciation fill your heart. Mindful appreciation is about tuning into the present moment and noticing the beauty around you. Pause to appreciate the little things: a blooming flower, the sound of rain, or even the way light dances through your window. Writing gratitude letters is another meaningful way to cultivate appreciation. Think of someone who has positively impacted your life, maybe a mentor, a friend, or a family member, and write them a letter expressing your gratitude. You don't even have to send it. The simple act of writing can be deeply fulfilling. Sharing gratitude with others, whether through a conversation, a message, or even a small gesture, can strengthen your connections and spread positivity. Gratitude, after all, is contagious. Each of these practices is a stepping stone on your journey to cultivating gratitude mindfully. Choose the ones that resonate with you, and remember, the more you practice, the more natural it becomes to see life through the lens of appreciation. Now that we've explored practices for cultivating gratitude, let's look at how we weave it into the fabric of your everyday life. Gratitude doesn't need to be a grand gesture. It thrives in the small, mindful moments we create. Begin each morning with a simple intention. Identify one thing you're grateful for as you start your day. This small act can set a positive tone, anchoring your thoughts in appreciation from the moment you wake up. Use technology to your advantage by setting reminders to pause and reflect on what you're grateful for. These gentle nudges throughout the day can help shift your perspective, even during stressful moments. Make gratitude a shared experience by creating rituals. It could be a gratitude circle at family dinners, a gratitude jar to store blessings you jot down on paper, or even ending your day by sharing moments of gratitude with a partner or friend. Gratitude flourishes in the details. Take a mindful pause to savor the small things, the colors of the sunset, the taste of your favorite meal, or the laughter of someone you love. These moments remind us of the abundance in our lives. Carry a small gratitude journal with you and jot down moments of appreciation as they happen. This practice not only helps you stay present, but also creates a beautiful record to look back on when you need encouragement. By integrating gratitude into your daily routine, you build a foundation of positivity and mindfulness that touches every aspect of your life. These small, consistent practices can transform how you experience the world, bringing more peace, connection, and joy into your journey. Gratitude is more than just a practice. It's a way of seeing the world, a shift in perspective that reminds us of the beauty and blessings woven into our lives. When we choose to embrace mindful gratitude, we open our hearts to a deeper connection with ourselves, others, and the planet we call home. Imagine how your life might change if gratitude became a daily habit. What would it feel like to greet each day with appreciation, to navigate challenges with resilience, and to end each evening with a heart full of thanks? These aren't just dreams, they're possibilities waiting for you. As you begin or continue your journey with practicing gratitude, remember that even the smallest steps can lead to profound transformations. Every breath, every smile, every word of thanks is a thread in the tapestry of a more joyful, mindful life. If you found this video inspiring, we'd love for you to join our community. Subscribe to Eco Wellness Journeys for more holistic wellness, mindfulness, and sustainable living insights. And let us know in the comments, what are you grateful for today? I'll see you in the next video.